I think Spike's lonely. He keeps dancing in the mirror.
You have a dancing lizard? We could be millionaires.
I'm trying to get it on camera, but every time I look at him, like, he'll go to the mirror and, like, start dancing and go like this, and then he'll flare up his neck, and then when I look at him, he'll stop and jump up on the tube.
Spike, Spike, Spike. Let's dance, let's dance, let's dance, let's dance. Let's play some music.
Watch. Nope, never mind. He goes on that stick and dances in the mirror.
Spike.
It's mad weird.
Let's dance. See, he wants to see me dance. Let's see.
Yeah, and then he kept watching me. I'm just like, this is really awkward.
Does he have food in there?
Yeah.
Where?
There's some right there, and then there's some under there. He started licking the antenna of the cricket. He didn't even touch the cricket. He licked the antenna.
Here, just taste them. Oh, Spike, I think you're hungry. I see you. Let's dance. Let's dance.
I hope you know this is recording.
What is
this? I'm recording it. So we can hear
you. Spike.
Dance.
Let's dance.
You're recorded.
You can edit.
Or I can play a song. I'm just staring at it.
Play a jungle for me.
No!
You're probably missing the jungle, aren't you, Spikey? Maybe it's that bad. Maybe he's in the picture.
He looks so fat.
How many crickets are you eating a day, Spike?
Oh, I know, like, there's so many legs, it's not even funny.
You don't like those legs, do ya?
Dance, dance, dance. See, he's dancing.
Oh, his mouth is open. His mouth is open.
See, he's dancing.
Oh, he's flaring. Oh, he's mad.